Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to delete your crypto.com account. In order to do this, you first have to launch your crypto.com mobile application. Now once you are on the home page, you are going to see these three horizontal lines in the top left hand corner. So you need to tap on these three horizontal lines, then you are going to see a bunch of different options, but you just have to scroll down, and in the more section you are going to see the settings. So you will have to tap on settings, and here among the given options you will have to tap on the option of account. Now in the account you are going to see this management section in the bottom, where you are going to see the option of account closure. So you need to tap on account closure option, and then you will be landed on this page where it will show you the repercussions that you need to face if you delete your crypto.com account. You will lose access to the crypto.com app, which allows you to purchase 250 plus crypto with a credit or debit card and 20 plus fiat currencies, track 400 coins using price alerts. So you will basically lose all of the features if you delete your account. So over here you will have to press the continue button in the bottom as you want to delete your account. After that, it will show you that we are sorry to see you go. Please review the information below carefully before closing your account. So the account closure are irreversible and you will lose access to your transaction history permanently. Your crypto.com app and crypto.com exchange accounts will be closed together. Your account can only be closed if you don't have funds in your crypto.com app or crypto.com exchange account, if you don't have staked or locked assets. So you need to make sure that before deleting your account is empty and none of your cryptos is staked or on the exchange. After that, you need to tap on the continue button in the bottom. Then it will ask you to choose any of the reasons provided in this section. So you just have to choose the reason that you have. If you have any other reason, then you will have to select the other reason option and press the confirm button. On the next page, you may need to verify your email address and your phone number. So after providing your account details, you just have to confirm your deletion. This way you will be able to delete your crypto.com account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.